That looks like something else. I won't say. I'm sure you can imagine what's.
Oh my goodness. So all of your scripts are in here as well as.
Are you gonna go backwards?
School, but
you gotta go backwards.
You also have a script for chipmunks, which are just shoe inserts. Any name for pediatric equipment is adorable, and they like to name them after animals. Eventually, they're going to recommend that he goes to chipmunks in his shoes, which means no braces for him.
We're gonna have to turn around and go the other way.
Now it will be
Ready?
a while before he gets to that, and you don't want to see in and pull out.
Prepare to launch. Go!
Even after you guys come back to the form of follow-up, they're going to continue to do assistant with their orthotic recommendations, and then if you do a year follow-up, they're going to continue to recommend different types of things. So you can just wait and let us kind of tell you to.
Okay, go ahead. Need a jump start?
But he really needs good ankle control.
Go. All right, see you later. Uh-oh, you're going to make it over that hump? That could be difficult. I'm going to do a little off-roading, some mountain biking. Let's do some mountain biking. Whee! Okay, go ahead. I'm waiting on you. Well, pedal. Are you afraid to go down the edge? Oh, whoa! You want to go this way? Okay, ready? Go ahead. Keep pedaling, don't stop. Pedal, 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 pedal. You can do it. Stop saying you can't do it and just pedal, buddy. I know you can do it. Go. There you go. Good job. All right.